rid of my work truck, and then we're buying two new trucks because of their trucks got turned into work trucks. Oh, hi guys, I didn't even know I was recording. Well, first off, to start this video, we're selling my old truck, and then we're buying them two new trucks because their old trucks got turned into work trucks. So yeah, we're first off going to my business. Let's go. There. Perfect driving, wasn't it, Casey? Yeah, it definitely was. This truck, my old work truck, is finally gone. So guys, it's the last time we're going to be seeing this truck until we might buy it back. We don't know yet. Watch out, Casey, I'll run you over. Move. 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 Fine. That was the first part, and then come on then. In the truck. Now just wait here a second. Me tell the workers that I've dropped the car off and give them the keys. Alright, the car's in the garage. Here you go. Done it. I gave them the keys. Now we can go. Look both ways and look straight. Now I'm coming. So we can turn this way. Alright, Casey, do you... Huh? Casey? Which way was it, Casey? No, because we're buying your truck. Do you know if it's left, right, straight? Okay. Right on the right road, but who cares? Don't know. Do you know if it was here? It was turn here, I know it was. I know it was a dirt path. Yeah. Right, so we're coming from down here this time. Because we're not buying the regular trucks. Don't know why I just didn't leave my Ayla with them. And Casey, I came down here buying one of my trucks before. I think it was the one before the last work truck that we just sold. Right, do you wanna go find it? Okay guys, we'll see you when they find the trucks. Guys, I found mine. Oh, Larry's found his. So I'm gonna go with him to look for it. Oh, I see it in the distance. Is that it, Larry? Yes, it is. Oh, okay. Let's go. Done. Let's go. Come on. What are you waiting for? You found yours, have you? Okay. Here it is. You like it? Another Chevy. Oh, I like this one. But let's drive it to see if the keys are on it, and let's drive it, see where Casey's is. Where are you? Right. He had to leave for an important business trip. So, all I gotta do is make my way back to the truck. That's all. I'll see you guys when we get there. Right guys, So yeah, he had to leave.
That's not fair.
Grab the plug.
I don't know. I did.
You could have spoke that then.
I don't think
I got a different charger. A USB one. So follow me. I left the car park. The parking. I left the parking. See? I'm at the end. Turn my engine off. Slow down when you get to the end. I see you slow down. Because I have to turn my engine off. Isn't this? Why you just sped through me? You sped through.
I need to upgrade my car so I can buy today. Where you going? No, it's by you. It's one by here.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not going to line, we're going to this one. Oh yeah guys, if you didn't see in the last video, no, you didn't see because it was off scenes. My truck and my trailer and my tiny house home got stuck in a bog pit. So we have to go to trailer shop to reserve it because of it says if I don't get it by 9 PM they're gonna get rid of it. And it's daylight savings time, so in case you want to be quick, well, because so it won't turn dark. I'll see you guys in a minute when you finish. Okay guys, so I want to where the fuck I'm doing my things. You can do that easier. Then oh, which one? Do you want to put 10% power on? Sure.
I need to go and buy.
Now I have to be quick, or they're gonna. I took the red flags off, and I got a new tailgate. No thing on the back.
Actually, what thing is that?
They're tiny, don't like me. They do. I own the trailer shop. I get notified every morning. Don't you have one already? No, a camper.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, are you doing? Hey, car trailer. Looks like. I might get this trailer. No, because I can't connect it with my camera. So. Guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. Yeah. You don't have the gooseneck on the back. I showed you earlier. Well, okay, well. You have to go to the place again. I got the exact same camper as Casey got. Yes. You got that now, guys. So Casey's coming back now. Yes. Okay. I think I'm gonna give this one in and get a different one. I might as well. Giving my old orange trailer off. So I'll be back now, guys, in a minute. Okay, so we chose a trailer. And I do kind of like these trailers. What's that trailer? So first, let's pick up my camper. Oh, and if you want, Casey, I forgot to mention, you can store your camper in my house. Or you can store it outside in my garden, I don't care. We go get your camper and then go modify it. Why? I'm going to. Where are you going? So you're gonna come with me to modify mine. Okay? And you're gonna modify yours with me. Fine. Ready? You live by a... No, you come to my house, remember? You are? No, you're gonna store your trailer in my back garden. Huh? Why? I said you could. You're gonna store your camper in my house? Why? No, then you can have the 2 spots in your house free. Remember, your truck's getting maintenance done to it. Huh? Your truck's getting maintenance to it done. Casey's truck's getting work done to his truck, so he's only got 1 truck at the moment, or this is a normal one. Because he has to have his work truck as best as he can have it for his work. I wonder if I can push that back out, move that in as close as I can to... Okay, I'll come now. Well, wait guys. Now we have to move... Oh no, I need my camper, don't I? Because I'm gonna customize it. And I live next door to it, so I forgot about her. So we didn't really need to take the long way. Oh yeah, we did. Well, we didn't, but we did. Sorry, neighbor. Well, guys, Casey's gonna be getting a new trailer. Okay, I said you're getting a new one. He's getting a new one. There's one that's unsymmetrical thing about this setup, so we're gonna fix that right now. That's the back trailer. Traitor.
MTV protocol.
No.
No, I'm Ethereum.
Yeah. Can do that one, can do that one, can do that one. So you get rid of one of your cars to get up. Okay.
I'm just gonna keep fixing.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure. I think so. Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? Good. Let's see if this works. It works. Don't drive. And I made it out in time. And guys, this is where I'll be going mud bogging on my bike, on my ATV as well. You sure you don't want to put anything in my garden? Okay, I'm coming to your house. That was in your house? That's not your house. So I'm parking in your next door garden. You buying that house, are you now? Okay. Are you parking there? Why put your cars in your garage? Okay. And you have to buy the house first. Now guys, I have something to show you. I've been working on this project for a while, so I'll be back now guys. So you know Jerry has a truck. No, a police truck. Well now, I've got a police car. But it doesn't stay at mine, it stays at the police station in the garage, so yeah. And I would keep it by here, but I don't own it. Well, I own it, but I'm not gonna be having it mine. And then I've got this one, my normal daily driver. And then I've got this car. Then I think I've got, no, I think I've got, I don't know if I still have it in inventory or not, with my, yes, I have, from the other day. So I got that, and then next, I've got this one. But yeah. But